You need those ones?
I might.
On both of them. On both. Trust me, you will see why. This is our...
How can you say what was what?
Beta.
Mr. Man.
Try your hardest not to touch the dust.
Thank you. Now look at that hair while you still got it. A couple of years will be more hair in the sink. Or on your back than on your head. Okay.
Harry's back.
First of all, make sure you put your name on the goldenrod piece of paper. You can write on this. You can scratch out if necessary. That's fine. Notice there are no selections for 1 to 15 vocabulary. Because you can use your identify, your words are listed on there.
Don't scare me.
So, you may scratch off on the identify if you need to for the vocabulary. But how you spell them is on 31. Same thing with 32 when you get to vocab. The identify words are listed there on the identify. Your vocab words are there. You go from there. 1 to 15 is all vocabulary. No word is repeated twice. 16 to 30 is true and false. You will use your identify and you will use your reading for those true and false. Flip the page over and it's the same format for 32. 32 for 31 to 45, you are matching vocabulary. Again, you use that identify for chapter 32. Your words are there at the top. And 46 to 60, you're going to use readings and I bet you talk to each other. You can talk to each other. I bet you are.
Yeah, you should so see it. It's hilarious.
They were good.
Hilarious.
Huh?
Good the entire time. You're like,
Then you go to the bathroom. You're in line. It's like people ahead of you. You need to pass, yeah.
She recorded me.
All right.
Yeah, she was like, don't do it. She pointed out, I don't know if she pointed down and recorded me. I thought she was going to do it. But
is it recording? Yeah. Oh, yeah.